Before we talk about zodiac acupuncture, I'm going to talk about some advantage and why we should know this theories. When we practice acupuncture, lots of time, like especially after you practice for years, you will more and more find there are at least two questions. First, does the time affect the acupuncture? Does the time affect the result? And Asian Chinese doctors already stated this questions for a long time, and even started from before Yellow Emperor. And in Yellow Emperor, it talked a lot about like how the time is affecting the body's qi and organs. The theory is our body is connected to the universe through the qi, so it's like the horizon. And then from the universe, especially from the sun and the moon, there is a waning and a waxing time of the qi. So the human body still can be affected. And then like it's very typical example is in full moon and the end of the month, the Chinese month. The female will have the period. Most of the, if it is a normal condition, lots of female will have the period in end of the moon, end of the month. And in a full moon, people will be more energetic, so that's like affected by the moon. So it is that in waxing time, no tolify, and then in waning time, no reduce. And then like it's applicable for the female. If the patient is during the period time, we do less needles and do not do too much reduce techniques. And then in the full moon, we can just like more regulate qi instead of tolify the qi. So it's follow the same idea. If you know the period of time change, we can stimulate the qi in waxing time and avoid qi escaping in waning time. It will be more effectively regulate the meridian's qi. And then the second question, after you practice a while, lots of practitioners will find some, like after the treatment, patients, instead of feeling good, some patients describe extremely tired, or the disease is worse. So is there any conflict between the points and or between the point in a certain time? If you don't know the zodiac rule, it's hard to understand it. So if you can find the basic rule and avoid this conflict, and you can avoid some reverse conditions happen. And for this